Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. If you remembered, we did a small keyboard review a couple of months ago, and today we have another one which is kind of more interesting for me personally just because it has dedicated arrow keys. Now today we're going to talk about Royal Kludge RK71 with the USB 2.0 connectivity. You have a Bluetooth option. It has an RGB. The key layout is IBM 71K and the keyboard color is white. Now the box is standard, there's nothing to it basically. You can check the prices and the coupon codes and everything in the description below. You have everything so you can get a discount on bankgood.com. Now when it comes to the keyboard, this is what I really love. Now I did the 60% keyboard, but I'm not sure. This is something in between 60% and TKL. So yeah, it's going to be interesting definitely. We have a white cable, and the cool thing, you have user's manual which basically is on English. So layout is 71 key, that's why it's probably called 71 layout. 60% 71 and TKL. It has backlight LED, okay, we know that. Material is ABS, Exile, so you have blue, red, brown and black switches. I don't know which they are. I was searching on the website, but even with Google Translated the web page, I couldn't find the exact switches on it. Bluetooth 3.0 and USB warranty 12 months. Packaging content, you have the keyboard, USB cable, keycap remover, and you have something additional. I'll tell you that later. You have all the dual system support, so you could switch from Windows to Mac OS with FNA and FNS. These are all different combinations, and you have all the description right here in the manual. Hotkeys of Office, game switch, everything. You have everything in here, which is really cool. We said Royal Kludge RK71, which is the layout 71. You have keycap remover and magnetic legs for stand off to raise your keyboard additionally. The cable is white, which is really nice, goes with the keyboard. I think we did the N Pro 2 keyboard which had the red cable with the white keyboard, so that doesn't make any sense. But okay, it's not bad, the keyboard is still good. Now here we go guys, this is the keyboard. The battery inside is 1000 milliampere hours, which is quite alright for a keyboard. You have the USB Type-C here on the left side at the back. On the back side you have four rubber mats that keep the keyboard steady. You have standard label for the keyboard, and you have an on-off switch for your Bluetooth. Unfortunately, it does have a USB receiver holder right here, but you don't have any, so there's no point. At the right bottom corner you have the Royal Kludge logo, and the keyboard is basically really nice. So you have the standard layout for the Mac, so you can use it in the Mac OS because it has all the symbols and everything. And you have dedicated arrows, which is really cool. And basically, yeah, that's it. So let's turn it on. Let's see how long will it. There we go. It shuts right off because it's not connected to your Bluetooth device. But the best thing, as you can see right here, it lights up this bar on this side, which is really cool. It does look really nice. Let's see the cable. Now I've heard on Any Pro 2 they had issues. Some reviewers had issues with Type-C cable not working on both sides. We tested that and it worked perfectly, so we are going to test this one as well the same way, because if it's Type-C it will be quite normal for you guys to flip it or not to think which is the right side. So yeah, let's connect, and as you can see it lights up. So we're going to turn it around and connect it to see if it works normally. So yeah, there's no issues whatsoever. The best thing I really love, which Any Pro 2 is missing, are the standoff legs. So basically you just put them right here on the right side, they magnetically attach to the keyboard, and you get a nice decent raise on the keyboard as it flips for a few degrees up. First of all, you have it in two variations. You have it in black and white. Now when it comes to keyboard clicks, we're going to test the typing to see how it actually sounds, the key switches, and well, basically I know you're interested in the sound, so let's go. I do have to admit that typing is really easy. You don't get your fingers stuck or anything similar to that. The keyboard is really nice. I really love the separated part for the insert, home, delete and pause, page up, page down, and you have a separation for the arrows. Now you have one FN switch which can go with A and S. As I said, you have Windows and Mac, so basically you're switching to your not only operating system, but you're switching for the additional functions on the keyboard. Also from F1 to F12 you have additional possibilities, so when you're using FN plus Windows, FN plus A actually, you're getting F1 to F12 normal key strokes. With the FN button plus insert, you could change the lights of the side lamp set, so the sidebar can be placed on a single color or rainbow, RGB, whatever you wish. You have all the information here. I'll put the photos for you guys to check out everything that you could see, everything that you could do, and basically that is it. A really interesting keyboard. Key sound is it's quite alright. It's not that annoying key click that destroys your ears. So the key switches on RK71 are red switches. As I said, I don't know which ones. And if you press the switch without the keycap, you don't actually hear a sound. Placing it right back, you do get a sound with the keycap, but that's completely different. So yeah. The good thing about this keyboard is you could connect it up to 6 devices. So one is cable and you have 5 Bluetooth devices that you could use. So pressing FN plus P, you have the possibility to get, it says here, to access the Bluetooth mode or switch to standard keyboard. First you need to, of course, change the switch to on, then press FN plus P, and from Q, W, E, R and T you could basically just choose which of the devices you want to pair up with currently. Pairing them up is basically pressing 3 seconds FN plus P, and then Bluetooth mode, the P button flashes when connected and the P button stops flashing after the connection is successful. Supports up to 5 devices and you can switch anytime by pressing FN plus any of the 5 keys that I mentioned. Basically very interesting keyboard, loads of functionality with the FN and using it on multiple devices and multiple platforms with all the keystrokes available right at your hand. Basically that's it. Very satisfied with the clicks and the key switches and the sound, which aren't annoying. The dimension is quite alright, especially as I said already with the side part with the almost like standard keyboard, but it has 71 key, so yeah. I'm going to repeat myself, the links are below in the description for Vanguard, where you could buy Royal Kludge RK71 with a discount code directly on their website, so check it out if you wish to get this kind of keyboard. As I said, you have 2 colors, you have it in black and white, 5 Bluetooth devices, 1 wired, Mac OS, Windows OS, you could do whatever you wish. So thank you for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the new review. Bye bye.